In this video, I'll show you how to use Miro wireframes quickly and effectively. Whether you're a designer, product manager, or just starting out, this guide will help you turn your ideas into clean, functional wireframes. First, let's set up your Miro workspace. Open your toolbar and click on the three-dot menu at the bottom. Choose More Apps, then find the wireframe library and drag it into your toolbar. This makes all your design components easily accessible whenever you need them. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials every week. Now, click the wireframe library icon in your toolbar and select a device screen like a desktop, phone, or tablet. Click anywhere on your Miro board to place it. This screen acts as a grouped frame, so anything you place inside it stays neatly organized when you move it around. Next, drag in UI elements such as buttons, checkboxes, or menus. You can double-click to edit text, resize elements, or adjust states. To add more style, open the Icons tab and browse through the icon library. You can even recolor or resize SVG icons to match your design perfectly. And that's it, you've just created your first Miro wireframe. You learned how to set up your workspace, add device screens, and customize UI components with ease. Keep exploring and experimenting. The more you practice, the faster you'll design. Thanks for watching and happy wireframing with Miro.